So basically what's happening here, basically the, okay, so basically, so yeah, basically it oxidizes into its basic colors, basically takes its name, basically it's basically a hydrothermal eruption is something very powerful. So basically what you're looking at here is the Inferno crater, and basically what we're looking at here is, basically what we're looking at, and basically it's basically littered. So basically what we have here, so basically what you're looking at here is, which is basically, okay, so basically which basically formed in, well basically, which basically depends on barometric pressure.
Basically.
So basically what you're seeing there is, basically what you're looking at there is, basically they basically found that by scraping the top layer off, basically.
You're saying that, so how big is this volcanic crate that we're in?
So basically it's about, basically we have 540 litres a minute, basically the last time she erupted,